Wow, there you go.
Wow. Hindi tayo dyan pa. Saan tayo?
Sabi mo table 2.
VIP 2.
Yung VIP 2 sila sabi. Saan na yung VIP 2 sila
Doon
sabi?
tayo sa kabila.
Doon daw po kayo.
Ay, VIP 2. Dito pala tayo pa. Dito pala tayo pa. Wow, siya na pa. Ito. VIP 2. Ah, dito. Ay pa. Maupo ka na dito. Saan yung lugar yan, Jo? Alam mo kung saan yan? Batangas. Sa ano?
Oh, we have a lady conference. Alright, perfect. I love the color coding of our t-shirts behind the back. Alright, team room. Once I count to 3, I want you all to do a great pose to the camera in front of you. Okay, gusto ko lang mag-pose kayo to the camera. 3, 2, 1, and pose. Wow, I love the pose of our beautiful lady. I see her, I see him. Very, very good.